James, show Mommy what it is. Show Mommy what it is.
Go show Mommy. Alright, show Mommy.
Here. What is it?
Show it, smile.
It says James? But what is it? Is it a toothbrush?
No.
What is it?
It says a drink.
It's a drink?
Yeah.
Show me how it works. Where do you drink out of it?
Right here. And you here, and you push it right here.
What was that? What was that?
Well, show me how it works. I want to see it pop up.
What was that, my kid?
Okay.
Do it.
See?
Like that? Okay, put it to your mouth. Let me see how you drink it. All right, we'll have to take that to school tomorrow. You like it? James, do you like it?
Mommy, and push down. Lila!
No. Bring her a toy.
Do not scream at her. She just wanted to see what that was.
I just wanted to see.
Is that